effects, and we increase clarity. As you can see, when we increase 100% of clarity, then photo gonna be sharp, crispy and sharp. But we need to smooth, so we take it 80% or 20%, and texture will be decreased minus 22 or 50%. Then you can see that our photo can be so smooth, and DH would be increase, cause DH can increase your photos color, so and that's why DH would be increased. Vignette should be decreased, and out of 20% or 30%. If you 100% of vignette, then you see that overall rabbit can cover up darkness, so we need to eat 30 or 40%. 30% 30% midpoint, and that is nothing fact. Midpoint can be 6% up. Feather, you can increase feather, but I don't increase it. Roundness I minus minus 8%. And then we go to detail. Then sharpening should be increase you if you need, but I increase it just 93 to 100%, 104. Radius 1%, detail 55%, and noise reduction. Last one is the noise reduction. It is most premium things. That's why your photo could be so much smoothie and reduction your photo noise. So you increase it 30 to 20%. I rated 30. Color noise reduction is the one of the most popular plugin. That is noise reduction, your noise from your color. That's why your photo smoothness you can increase or decrease, but I increase 7%. After all, you can see that our photo could be done before and after. Again, you can see that before and after. So guys, we can say that this apps is alternative of Photoshop for your photo editing, coloring, and etc. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe our channel, and everything you can do with it, your photo color and sharpness. Another I got you some demo of your photo. We can see that this photo editing apps helps me very much. That's why I share with you guys. So guys, you can, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.